Hello formers, in this video I am going to explain about multigrading. To begin with, I have made a simple two-dimensional mesh with 1 meter in length and 1 meter in height and with 10 cells in x and y direction. You know, like when we change the simple grading in x direction, it changes the grading of the cells in x direction. So if you want to do the same in the opposite, you put less than 1 and then the grading is in the opposite direction. But what to do when you need grading in both direction? You want finer mesh in this corner and also in that corner, but you want a very coarse mesh in the middle. So what to do when you need something like that? The answer is multigrading. So instead of giving 0.1 here, I am going to give something different. First start with the brackets. So instead of 0.1, I am going to split it into two portions. So and each portion should have 50% of the length, and the next is 50% of the cells, and I give one side as grading as 10 and one side the grading as 0.1. So now I am doing the block mesh and then I am reloading the files. So now you can see you see gradings in both sides of the directions. So what does this explain? So it's also in the user guide. In the multigrading it says here. So here they have split the y direction, and for y you start with just two brackets, and then this is first blocks, this is second, and then this is third block. Here you say like 0.2% in length. So like if you have 1 meter, it takes 0.2 meters in length, and then if you have here 10 cells, then this is the 0.3 of 10 cells. So it takes 3 cells and then puts the grading for 4. So this is the basic concept. So if you want to change, so here I am giving like 0.3, and then here maybe I give 0.7, and then let's see what happens. So here you can see this is 0.3 meters, and then from here it takes 0.7 meter, but you have 0.5 in the cells. So if you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in within 0.3, and then another 5 in the 0.7 meters. So let's change this also, like put 0.3 here and then put 0.7 here. So now you will have 3 cells on the left side and 7 cells on the right side. So see, 1, 2, 3 cells on the left, and then the 7 cells are on the right side. So this way you can easily code the cells without creating more and more blocks. So I create 0.5 again, and I also split the y. So let's So here I am doing only 2 splits. Maybe if you want, you can also do 3, 4, or however you like. One small tip, if you are splitting 2 blocks, is if you give 10 here, try to give 1 by 10 here, so it's more symmetrical. Even in the user guide, they have tried like 4 and then here 1 by 4. So if you try like that, it will be more symmetrical. Let's do block mesh and then see how it looks. So now you have every corner is very much refined, and the center you have a very coarse. So just I'm increasing the number of cells now. So this way you can create easily multi-grading in OpenFOAM. Thanks for watching the video and enjoy foaming.